Alright, so I got my receiver box and everything assembled and back on. This wire here, this is my servo, and this is for the other side of my gyro, which sends the signal to the servo. They call it the servo side. So anyway, this is the receiver side for the gyro and the servo side. So I got all this put together. So the next thing I want to do is come through and put on the front end. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Put the assembly together for the front end. We're going to flip her over, get these screws mounted. Alright, there we go. So all that's locked in place. Only thing left to do is go ahead and mount my horn. So we have a little adjustment there, but hey, we got that in place. Good. I'll run a little screw in there and short. Alright, so now we need to do the center drive shaft. Pop out my rear crush drive. I'm just going to feed it through this way. Now what's left to do is put on my rear. Let's spin her around. Here's my rear assembly. Sometimes this one is a little bit trickier. Oh. Then we'll flip this and throw our screws in the bottom. So getting there, we're almost complete. Hang in there, stay with me. We'll tighten some stuff up and keep going. Alright, so we got the rear assembly installed. Got our screws put into the bottom here. So everything is nice and tight. So now the only thing we got left to do for mass assembly is the top brace, the center brace. So we'll go ahead and get ready to install this. All right. So, where's my gyro is the next question. Here it is. So, went with the Sky RC. Can you see it? Can you see it? Went with the Sky RC gyro. Seen some reviews. It looks to work pretty well. So, I wanted to try that out. So again, this one right here is to the receiver, and it's labeled receiver. You just plug that in on this side. You can't see that. Hold on, let me get it better for you guys. Alright, so get a little tighter. Clean it up. Alright, so this wire right here says receiver. Well, it's for the receiver. So we'll plug that, of course, in the receiver section. And this one here is for the actual servo. So we plug that there. That's it. Now before I mount it permanently, I want to make sure you can orientate it in different ways. So you have a couple different ways you can mount it to make sure that you're acting the way you like it to. So we'll do that once I put power on it. We'll go from there. And of course, if you don't know by now, these crazy adapters are for my 5th scale wheels. So I went with the GRP 5th scales. Great looking tire. Well, great looking wheel and great looking tire. Very soft compound. I mean, it's tacky just to hold it. So we'll mount these, do some setups, and we should be ready to hit the road here soon. Stay tuned. I'll mount these wheels and get that servo working for you. Alright, YouTube. Took a quick intermission to try to get these wheels mounted. It took a decent amount of trimming, especially in the rear, to clear the shock travel or the suspension travel. And the front steering looked like it was pretty easy to get cleared up. Just had to snip a piece off the rear here. So we cut that straight. And then this here, we had to pretty much slice this all off. So I still might have to do a little bit more trimming there. But outside of that, it looks absolutely awesome. Adapters work great. Thank you, RC Hornet. So right now, what we'll do is tighten it up. I need to do a setup. Make sure my gyro works. And check my caster, camber, toe in, toe out, all that great stuff. I got a balancer coming so I can balance these wheels. And after that, put some power to it and see what we get. So, alright, so we got everything put together. I'll roll up the chassis here a little bit so you can see. That all wire loomed and got all this hooked into place. Got my gyro mounted. I went the Sky RC gyro, so seems to work pretty good. Haven't ran it yet, but hey, I did some shake tests. Alright, so here is my dual Traxxas camber gauge, and I use this to basically check the wheels. And the way it works is very simple. If you don't know already, I don't want to insult anyone. What we'll do is we'll rotate the car here so you can see. Alright, so we're gonna just bump it up straight up here and see where we are. So you just line it up till the edge touches the edge. I got some stuff in the way, but anyway, make sure your wheels are straight, line it up. Alright, so that one is a tad bit off. You know, the goal is down here to 0. I'm at about a 1. So we'll tighten up right up in here our camber, our tie rods, and get the tilt on that wheel a little better, or the camber, the technical term for it. So I do this on all 4 wheels. I did that. I'm gonna adjust this one. We'll just take our good old 4mm, come in here, give it a turn. Alright, so check it again. Alright, we're still at about a 1. So I need to bring it out a little bit more. Alright. So there we go, we got it. I hit it, but it was it was there at 0. So I did this on all 4 wheels to make sure everything is tight. And I did pick up my Huddy tire balancer. So I got some mild clay. We're gonna go ahead and balance the wheels. Make sure everything is good. I get up to speed. I don't want any wobbling or weird action taking place while we're going to those high rates of speed. So we'll go ahead and pull off all 4 wheels and get ready to start balancing these tires. Alright, so We got our hoodie balancer here. Already got our wheels pulled off, so put the first one on. Alright, so this one's a little off. So let it rock down to its heaviest spot. Alright, I'm going to spin it around. The heavy spot should be on the bottom, so I'm going to make a little mark right here to show me where I need to put it. I'll spin it one more time, see if it stops in the same location. Alright, same spot. So what I'll do is take some of my modeling clay, cut a little sliver off, come up here, just press it right in that spot where we got that black mark. Look like we need a little bit more. But you get the idea, so we'll just keep putting this modeling clay in there until we got a good balance. And that'll be it. So we'll finish balancing our 4 tires. And next thing after that, I'll reveal the body and test run, so stay tuned. Alright, so we got it all finished up now. Wheels are balanced, camber is set, batteries are charging, max amps, you know how we do, 4S, 2 of them, 8S run, Leopard 1360 motor, XL2 Castle ESC. Nice tall gear ratio. I think it's a 40 and a 46. And of course GRP wheels and tires. Now, big shout out goes to RC Hornet for the wheel adapters. High Gear RC for ESC mounting plate and my drag link down there. Also, shout out to Cal RC for all my products, for greasing this bad boy and keeping it clean. Shout out to Boca bearings for everything they helped me with, getting all these new bearings put in throughout the whole thing. And of course, last but not least, the body. Dun, 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 dun. That's right. 1/7, 1/5, whatever scale this turns out to be. Hot Wheels. Man, this thing is awesome. And I'm saying it. That's right. I'm saying it's awesome. The one and only Hot Wheels XO-1 1/7 scale, 1/5 scale conversion, whatever you want to call it. Traxxas. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching this video series. Next thing we do is run it. That's right. Let's see how fast this puppy will go.